It's really affordable, it's really spacious, tons of amenities. Let's start the Damac Hills 2. As you can see, here we are in the show villa. The entrance can be really green, really beautiful, as they have done it here. Damac, they are artists in doing greenery and communities. Let's go inside the show villa, show you what this 4-bedroom townhouse has to offer and what can you expect from Damac in terms of prices, sizes, and payment plan. Let's go. As we enter, you get, let's say, a circulation area where you have some type of a courtyard that is really rare in the townhouses, and it's really rare product in Dubai for small townhouses. And you get on the right-hand side, you get an open kitchen in this layout, in this show villa, but in the actual recent launches from Damac, they chose to do a closed kitchen, fully fitted with all the appliances. You will get more storage space, more areas to put cupboards because you will have a wall from here. So when we come to discuss with the sales managers here, when we come to do your selection, we will show you in details how it will be on the layout and on the plan. We move from the kitchen into a really spacious dining area. Let me remind you that the living and dining area will be a little bit wider by like ½ meter to 1 meter in the actual villas and townhouses. And here is just to show you what you can expect from Damac and what are the sizes, approximate sizes that you will get in the townhouses. Speaking of the townhouses and the sizes of the built-up area for a 4-bedroom townhouses is going to be between 2,300 square foot up to 2,400 square foot for the corner unit, 2,300 approximately for the middle unit. Now, in terms of the prices, we are starting from as low as 1.9 million up to 2.1 million. So even if you go on a corner unit, you are not exceeding the 2.1, 2.2 million dirhams. In Dubai, having a square footage with the price of 800 dirhams is impossible. Damac is doing it with really nice finishing, really nice product that they are offering right now in Damac Hills 2, as you saw in our video and as you will see in our video, the amenities that they offer and what type of products they have in this beautiful community. Let's go into the first bedroom area and show you how the bedroom on the ground floor will be, and then we go upstairs and show you the remaining. Of course, there is different layouts that they are releasing from the townhouses, so it depends on your requirement, your budget, the sizes that you are looking for, that we will discuss when we are with the sales manager choosing the perfect product for you and for your family. Here we enter into a ground floor bedroom. You can see it has a lot of cupboards, and this is like a double bed size, and it has access into the bathroom from here, which is the same as the guest bathroom as well. You have the sliding door entering into the bathroom. Good finishing, good materials, and even in the final product where we saw some of the handovers that is being done right now in the Damac Hills 2, the finishing is way better than this one that is used to be one of their old townhouses, and it has been repurposed to be a show villa. Now we go from the other door of this bathroom and we get here the maid's area or the maid's room. It has its own bathroom, as you can see, bathroom and shower, and it can fit a single bed easily, and the cupboards are already built in with its own natural daylight entering. Now this was the ground floor layout of this property. Let's go upstairs and show you what you can get more. Plenty of natural daylight for the staircase, exposed with glass and brushed aluminum, really giving it really nice feeling. Here we will get also another circulation area. We go into the second and third bedrooms. You can see here we get comfy size of a bed. You have the 2 bedside tables, the curtains, and it shares the balcony, floor to ceiling windows with other room that we will see in a bit. It has its own storage spaces and its own cupboards. As I said, the finishing and the materials will be different according to the phase that you are buying with and the project that you are buying in. The payment plan, as we said, is 60 during construction, 40 at handover. One of the best payment plans right now in the current market, a very hot market, high in demand, and so many developers are offering only 80-20 or 90-10 even. Damac is still offering the 60% during construction, 40% at handover, allowing you to finance 40% of the total price of the property. Here we get the third room, as you can see, also spacious. Here they have decorated it as a kids' room, really cool decoration. It shares also the balcony with the other room that we just saw, and it has its own cupboards as well. Now let's go into the master bedroom and show you what you can expect in the master bedroom. Before we go into the master bedroom, let me show you the bathroom that these two rooms shares and see how spacious it is. You will have a bathtub, you will have a shower, and really good space for a bathroom that is shared between the two rooms. One of the most spacious bathrooms that are shared I see in a townhouse. Damac is really doing a good job in Damac Hills too. And as we discussed before and as we talked before, the Damac quality and the type of contractors that they are using and the materials that they have been using post 2019, since they became a privately owned company, which is one of the best steps that they have done, have been improving continuously, and the quality that they have delivered with all their latest delivery is really perfect and amazing prices as well. And they are able to control much better the timing and the schedule and the handover time of all their projects. And they, as you saw in our construction updates from the Damac Lagoon, they are 3 and 4 months ahead of schedule in many of the phases that is being done right now in the Damac Lagoon. Same story happening in the Damac Hills 2 and the Damac Hills 1. Here, this master bedroom, as you can see, we get an L-shaped cabinets or cupboards having a lot of storage space, very good for any family. And as I said, the layouts might be a little bit different, depends on the phase that you are buying in. Now, we get on the right-hand side, the master bathroom. We will talk about it in a bit. And we get here the bed space area, which is overlooking the courtyard and in the same time overlooking this amazing view from here, having its own big terrace. Now the layouts are really generous. The design of the layout itself, on the paper you might think, oh, 2,300 square foot built up area is a bit small, it's not enough. Come and see the layout and how they designed it, and then we will talk about if it's enough or not. Affordable product for the family that is looking for a nice community to live in, for a nice prospect for their money, for a nice appreciation for what they have invested. We cannot all afford to buy a villa at 4 million, 5 million, 6 million. So Damac knows that the next step in the market is the affordable properties, because all of these millionaires and billionaires who are coming into the market, they are hiring people with average salaries of 10 to 15 to 20,000 dirham. They want to live somewhere that they can enjoy quality of life and their kids enjoy a lot of amenities. And Damac understand that perfectly, and that's what they are offering in all of their projects, specifically in Damac Hills 2, with the affordable prices that they are giving compared to the sizes that they are giving. Let's check the bathroom and then we'll go to a small interview with the experts from Damac and show you why it's a great choice for a family that is just starting in Dubai or they are looking for an affordable product. Really good size bathroom, and you have the shower here. It's not gonna have a bathtub. The bathtub is only there in the shared bathroom. The shower is good size and the finishing is really nice. I like this wavy tiles. And this was the master bedroom. Now there is a different layout of these townhouses where there is no 1 bedroom downstairs and there is 3 bedrooms on this level as we saw and 1 bedroom upstairs. I will show you kind of how it's going to be and what terrace they are going to have on top, and then we have the interview. Many of the layouts that Damac is offering right now are G+2. It means ground floor, first floor and a second floor. Let me show you how you can get it and what you can expect in that layout. Now we are reaching into the second floor. Imagine with me that I reached here. I reached into this point and I opened the door. This will be the bedroom. The 5th bedroom, it has its own bathroom, here, entrance to the bathroom, and its own cupboards, of course. And it has its own beautiful terrace overlooking gorgeous views as we got used from Damac, either overlooking a park or overlooking the lagoon, the gorgeous lagoon that they are doing here in Damac Hills too, that is already working. And here we are on this spacious terrace, enjoying the beautiful views to the greenery and water tranquility that Damac is having in their projects. Enjoy with me the views and imagine this is all starting at 1.9 million dirham. Really affordable, really good finishing, and nice products for a family that's starting in Dubai. So don't hesitate to hit the like button, share, subscribe. Help us in introducing to you more new communities in Dubai, beautiful communities in Dubai, to help you choose your home sweet home or your profitable investment. We will talk about the investments in a bit with the experts from Damac. Hamid, I have seen that there is a lot of amenities and we have shown part of it in our videos. Tell us a bit more and what is coming.
So as you can see, we have the lagoon here, boat riding, sand beach. Upcoming, we have floating cinema, Malibu beach with the lazy river, sports town, a lot of sports amenities here, 5 outdoor gyms, barbecue areas, and a lot of more.
5 outdoor gyms.
5 outdoor gyms and the 1 indoor big size gym in the community center as well.
You said it's techno gym.
All the equipment is techno gym.
That's amazing, and attractive prices as well.
Yes, and the best thing is these kind of things are free for use for the residents. You only pay your service charge, which you pay in any other property in Dubai.
So you have your own water park in your community.
Yeah, it's a resort lifestyle.
Yes, that's great. That's what Damac is always doing. Now, the nice thing when you go on a corner unit villa is that you get really nice space where you can do a nice swimming pool, as they have done here, and you get like the greenery, of course, your amazing views, and you get the L shape from this area. You can do your barbecue and your kitchen area here, and your guests, you will welcome them from this very beautiful green passage into your own heaven in Damac Hills too. Now Damac is booming, and I know that you're always busy. I've been in the sales office, and it's like a beehive. Tell us a bit more why we should be considering Damac Hills too, knowing that it's a bit far, some people say.
Okay, if I start to tell all the points for Damac Hills 2, won't end this video today, but the major things I will say, first of all, like it's the only ready community in this area, and the other developers also coming to this area, which will create higher demand and will increase the prices. Prices are already increased. Here we have 800 dirhams per square foot. So it's very good for investors. For the end users, what is good for end users? All the facilities and amenities in this community are ready. You're just waiting for your house to be ready.
The construction of these projects has already started, and we are almost 20 to 25% completion. So the period of waiting is so low, and you can move in very quickly.
In other projects, first your house will be ready, and after you have to wait 1, 2 years, 3 years for the old facilities and amenities. One more thing is there is the 2 new roads, like one is already constructed and the second one construction started already. One is towards the Al Qudra side, the cycling roundabout, it will be there. So it's new road connectivity, and another one it's towards the Al Ain road. So that will save us 5 to 10 minutes of time to each side of Damac Hills 2. And the new road connectivity will increase also the capital appreciation, the ROI. Recently, ROI was increased because of the RTA bus. RTA bus, just 1 week ago, RTA bus started coming to Damac Hills 2. And as I told you, this area is demanded. And the other developers are coming not for no reason, because you can check on the websites, government websites, is the most transacted community in the primary and the secondary market in Dubai right now.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yeah.
The most transacted
community in whole Dubai.
Hills 2.
Even if we talk about Damac Hills 1, we talk about lagoons, we talk any community of Dubai, like any other developer as well, the most transacted community in primary and secondary is Damac Hills 2 right now.
All right.
So, and what more? We have school is coming.
That's really nice.
Construction of the school is started already, and also there will be smart police station in this project.
I've seen at the entrance that the community, all of it is monitored linked into the system of Dubai Police Monitoring.
Yes, exactly. And we will have smart police station. We already have Saudi German clinic. We have the supermarkets here. We have 24/7 supermarket in the retail area of the Verdes. And we have the Carrefour supermarket in the community center. We have the big gym. We have a lot of stuff, the pet farm and everything.
Yes.
Everything what you need for the comfortable life is in the Damac Hills too. So if we talk about like people, you said like people say it's far, right? So let's say far from what? If we talk about the Business Bay and the downtown, like from here to downtown, you can check the GPS right now, the Google. It's 32 minutes. It shows 32 minutes with a bit of traffic, right? 30 minutes, let's say. From Dubai Land is the same 30 minutes. Like the best case scenario is 25 minutes. But it's with zero traffic, which never happens.
Correct. Yeah.
So 30 minutes there, 30 minutes here. New road will come. It will be 25 minutes. So to downtown and Business Bay by Alain Road, no traffic, 6 lane each side. This wide road.
Yes.
You'll reach in 25 minutes after the new road comes. So it's even, you can say, closer to downtown than the Dubai Land area, which is double the price of the Damac Hills tour right now.
Thank you, Hamid, for so much information. Really informative. I used to love the Damac Hills 1 always, and I know it's one of the best communities in Dubai. But the visit today to the Damac Hills 2 really opened our eyes for a lot of opportunities and a lot of communities that we can advise for our clients. Really, thank you so much.
That's the best thing. Like, you have to come and see. I'm glad to have you here, and happy selling, bro.
Thank you so much. Now that we have done showing you what you can expect from your future home or your future profitable investment, let's take you into the amenities, what you can expect outside of your villa, right 1 minute ahead from your villa. Cocooned in nature, a very beautiful kids play area. Come with me, it's like for very little kids. You see, like, so they don't run around, because when we have 2 to 3 years old with their quick legs, they are running around. Here they are surrounded by nature, a natural fence, and they can enjoy playing, and it's a comfy ground. It's a rubber, and then they have the bouncing things here. So they have a lot of things to enjoy and play while you're sitting there enjoying your coffee or your tea or whatever you're drinking, something refreshing. Next to the jogging track and the water park, we get the outdoor gym. When we have 6 to 7 months of really nice weather, you can come, have a tan, and enjoy working out these muscles. So it's really nice idea. It's beautiful for people who like to train outside and who doesn't have like a big gym or equipment in their villa and they want to train outside. Here you go. It's not too many people, and depends on the time that you choose. You have super beautiful views, as you can see. Right there is the lagoon. On this side, we have the lake. Next to it, we have the water park, and we have the courts and the sports park, all of it right next to us. So everything within a walking distance, making this community really amazing in the nice weather. You get amazing views from the lake, next to the jogging, running area and the training areas, a lot of greeneries. And there, if you, Victoria, you can show them in the horizon. It's a bit further for us to walk to it, but because it's very hot right now. But you get all the courts that you can think of: basketball, football, paddle tennis, normal tennis, badminton, and whatever else you can consider. It's there. Really beautiful community, really green, and a lot of amenities that you will spend 1 month trying one each day. Now that you have seen this amazing townhouse or a villa, we have different options. You saw what amenities Damac is willing to offer and is offering in this magnificent project that is really still affordable. And that's what you want from a community that you are moving your family into, that you are starting your life in Dubai in. This is all that you need. And if we compare it to the other international city, the transportation from here to any other area, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, etc., it's not a lot. So look with me at the amazing lagoon, the floating cinema, the lazy river that we saw, the water park that you saw in the videos, all of the greenery, all of the courts for different sports. All of this makes this project really amazing at very affordable prices and great payment plans.